this is a real quick short just to show you how we test an air sensor. And I'm not going to get into all the scientific specifics of it and so forth due to the fact that nobody's going to have this test board at home. So the way that we measure everything is according to our custom test station that we have here. Now what Julie's going to do is she's going to hook up a good air sensor, and she is going to show how it reacts when we test it, and it's pretty basic.
So it should start out at about 0.5, then it goes up from there, and it keeps rising. This one should start out at 1.5 or 1.8, right in through there. That means it's good. This here will keep climbing if it's good. So it's sensing the air, but then when you blow on it, it should go back down. This is a perfectly good air sensor.
Do it one more time. As you can see, the left sensor there, the left readout, watch when she blows on it. Okay, see how it...
drop down below too.
Yep. That's basically acting as though the combustion fan is drawing air into the inlet tube, the fresh air inlet tube, and bypassing the air sensor.
Now this is a customer's.
This is a customer's that we are testing for. So
see how high that is?
You can see here that the one on the left is not climbing, okay, just from the ambient air. And see when she blows on it?
Nothing.
It doesn't move. This air sensor is completely dead. It is not registering any air movement. It will not measure the density of the air and so forth. So that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a situation to where Julie will either email you or I will and let you know that your air sensor is bad and it's time to replace it. So if you have any questions, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com and we'll get you a new air sensor out immediately. Thanks a lot for watching. One last thing, Austroflammparts.com or RIKAparts.com for anything that has to do with Austroflamm or RIKA pellet stoves. Have a good one. Peace. Looking for quality parts for the Austroflamm, RIKA, Premio, Vizio, and more? Visit our new e-commerce site at Austroflammparts.com or RIKAparts.com. Thank you for your support.